In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal in Webflow. By the end, you'll have PayPal available on your Webflow site so customers can check out quickly and securely. First, open your Webflow project and head into the designer. Make sure you're working on the correct page or template where your store or checkout elements live and that your site is saved. It helps to have a PayPal business account ready, since that's what Webflow expects when you connect PayPal for payments. Now look to the left-hand interface and open the panel where you add items to the page. From there, choose Elements. This is the library of pieces you can place on your site. Next, open the e-commerce section. You'll see options related to shopping functionality. If the section is collapsed, click to expand it so everything is visible. You may see this e-commerce area more than once as you move through the interface. That's normal. Go ahead and open it wherever it appears to proceed. Within the e-commerce options, follow the highlighted prompts that guide you to enable PayPal. Click the highlighted areas as they appear to reveal the PayPal option and proceed with setup. Webflow will surface the necessary controls step by step, so simply keep selecting the highlighted buttons or toggles until you arrive at the connection fields. If you're prompted to review checkout elements, that's fine. Just continue along the highlighted path. When you reach the field that needs your input, type in the required PayPal business details exactly as your PayPal account lists them. This might be your business email or another identifier used by PayPal for checkout. Take a moment to ensure there are no typos and that the account you're using is set up to receive payments in your store's currency. After confirming your details, continue following any remaining highlighted confirmations until you're brought back to your project view. At this point, your PayPal option should be active. Finally, publish your site. Click Publish to push the update to your chosen domain. Publishing is important. PayPal won't be live for visitors until those changes are on the published site. Once it's live, visit your storefront and look for the PayPal option at checkout. If you don't see it immediately, clear your cache or check your staging domain. A couple of quick tips. Use a PayPal business account for smoother verification, make sure your store currency and PayPal currency settings align, and test a small transaction to confirm everything works end-to-end. That's it. Your Webflow site now accepts